What's good? This is your boy SouleanBass. Just wanted to do a quick video to say thank you to Gamer Princess. If you remember, she did a giveaway back on her birthday a few weeks back, and I was a lucky some mofo that actually went back to back and won something. So I'm going to do a little unboxing and share the experience with you guys. Again, thank you, Gamer Princess. Appreciate you. The community rocks. SouleanBass out. All right, guys, here we go. So this is the box that the Stream Deck came into. I'm gonna go ahead. I've already kind of opened it up just a little bit. Gamer Princess actually left a nice little note. I'll share that with you. Really cute. It says, congrats SouleanBass. Thank you so much for your continued support and for being a part of the community. Enjoy the Stream Deck GP. That's an awesome touch. Thank you very much. Very, very much there, Princess. That's awesome. Just throw that in there. Move this aside. And this is what we got. Booyah! The Elgato Stream Deck, man. Look at that. Let's open her up. Oh boy. Hey, it's a little smaller than I thought it was going to be. Which is actually a good thing. Check it out, y'all. Boom! Comes with a little information guide here, a little quick start guide. That's awesome. Tells you where to go to download the software once you plug everything in. Drag and drop all your different icons and commands. Pretty cool. All right, there we go. There it is. Little action, little camera action on the product itself. And it looks like the stand comes right underneath it as well. And slide that on the dock, and it looks like this little stand right here kind of just hits there. Just in case you guys are wondering, you know, what's included, I'm showing you. So it looks pretty cool. Got these little flap out ears, I guess, if you wanted to go a little bit lower. That's kind of cool. All right. Awesome. Well, I am going to take some time for sure to download the software and get this thing up and going. Can't wait to get it started. Awesome job. Thank you very much, Gamer. Appreciate it. You are the best, and I will have a lot of fun using this.